Hi friends, it's Stephy. Welcome to another video on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look for you. I already got my foundation and my eyebrows done for you guys, so you don't have to go through the trouble of having to see me do that. So the first thing that I do is I put some white pinkish eyeshadow over my eyelids, and it's kind of a mistake because I did something earlier and it kind of just like makes the white go away. So you don't have to do this part, but that's just what I did. The next thing that I did is I put some pink over my eyeshadow on my crease, and I'd use a fluffy brush, which is what I usually use, but I guess it's not the right tool. I'm not that good at makeup, so I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just, over here thinking I know what I'm doing. So you could just watch me fail if you are a makeup guru, and if you're not, then yeah, I'm a makeup guru. So the next thing that I'm doing is I am blending everything out just to make sure that there are no harsh edges. And I'm not sure again if this is the right brush, but that's the brush that I usually use to blend things out. So make sure you just blend everything out so it won't look as harsh. The next thing I'm doing is I am taking a smaller brush and I'm gonna dip it in some red, and I'm gonna put that over the pink so it can be more, you can see it more better, because apparently you can't see the pink that well. And now I'm blending out again, just so the red won't be too red. So now I'm also going to be putting some black over the red, so it could be a little bit more like a dark smoky eye kind of thing, if that makes sense. Now I'm adding some more pink, so then you can have more pink in this look than red. Just a little bit more pink because you want it to look Valentine-y. It's for Valentine, so. Now it's the time to add more of that white pinkish eyeshadow that you use in the beginning, because this is when it's actually gonna stick on your eye at this point. Now you're gonna use a smudging brush and put some red on your under eyelid, or the bottom part of your eyelid. So to get some of that red underneath so it could look more cool and more Valentine's-y. Then you also want to start blending out with another kind of blending brush to blend out the bottom part so it won't be too hard. Now you're going to be using a small angled brush to put some highlight on the inner corners of your eye so it could pop out a little bit more. Now you're going to be adding some contour, and I just want to say that the contour I did looks so beautiful. This is my first time that I actually did contour that looks pretty good. The next thing that you're going to be doing is putting highlight everywhere on your face, such as your brow bone, your cheeks, your nose, and your cupid's bow. So the next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, and I start from the inner corner of my eye before I start doing my wing, just so I don't have to mess up and start all over again. At this point, I figured that it would have been a good idea to do a close-up of my eyes versus just having to see everything else around you. And so I do a close-up, and at this angle I just realized that my makeup kind of sucks. But that's okay, I'm not a professional makeup guru, and this is basically how I do my makeup every day, so you have to deal with it. Next thing I do is I curl my eyelashes, both of my eyes obviously, and then I put mascara on my eyes, and I mess up a lot. I put mascara on my eyes by accident, so I take a Q-tip and try to fix it, but that was like really bad, so I ended up trying to fix it with more eyeshadow, and I'm sorry. Mistakes happen, especially if you're not a professional makeup guru, so you're gonna have to witness me messing up a lot. So now I'm going to be putting some more mascara on just to fix what I did before. Now I'm going to be putting a red liquid lipstick on my lips to complete the look. And I really like this lipstick. It's Jordana, and I like the way it feels on my lips, and I really love this color. It's really beautiful. So the last thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking this dark pink liquid lipstick that I have, and I'm going to be taking a small angled brush and drawing some hearts on my cheek to be more festive for the Valentine's Day. And this is the completed look. It's pretty simple, but I decided I wanted to do it, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. It would really appreciate it if you do. Comment down below if you like this makeup look or not, and I have my lip earrings on for the occasion because I never worn them before. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I would really appreciate it. And look at me doing some close-ups over here. And until next time, bye!